Y'all ready for this? I don't even know what it is yet, so I'm gonna be just as surprised as you are. Holy cow! That is so crazy. I honestly did not think it would be that much. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we are getting ourselves into a little bit of controversy because we're talking about money today, and money, the topic of money just always surrounds itself with controversy. I am gonna be talking about how much money I have made from one of my YouTube videos that has gotten 1 million+ views. Specifically, one of my slime videos that has actually gotten over 1 million views. There's actually a trend going around right now where YouTubers of various channel sizes are, you know, showing their viewers how much they make off of these videos where they, you know, get 1 million+ views. So I was like, hey, nobody's done this in the slime community yet, and I'm pretty sure people are curious. So I just figured, why not do it? I am pretty transparent with you all. You all pretty much know everything about me when it comes to my channel and my shop. I literally expose my recipes all the time for y'all on the weekly. So this video is pretty like on brand for me because I don't really hide anything from y'all. Now I do want to add just a real quick disclaimer because I don't want anybody getting crazy in the comments and I don't want to have to fight nobody. So here it is. I am in no way doing this video to brag or anything like that. There are people making way more than me on YouTube who also do slime. So I'm like not trying to say that I'm the best or that I make the most money or anything like that. That is literally not the point of this video. The point of this video is just to be completely 100% transparent and let you all know how much money you could actually possibly make on YouTube just from doing slime videos. Now I am saying slime videos because that's what I primarily do here on YouTube, so I can't speak for any other niches on YouTube or any other categories on YouTube, but I definitely can speak for slime because that is my community. So yeah, let's just dive in. I apologize if I'm gonna be a little awkward in this video. I don't want to come across like I'm bragging or anything about the money that I'm making. I'm just really curious when it comes to this kind of content, and I'm pretty sure there are people out there that are just as curious. So this video is for you. You're welcome. All right, so I have my laptop here so that I can screen record everything that I'm looking at so I can show y'all receipts for every single thing that I'm saying. And yeah, we're just gonna get on with it. So the video that I am gonna be looking at is my most popular video. It has 3.3 million views, uploaded 2 years ago, and it is the giant slime smoothie, mixing my slime collection. So basically this video here was just me taking a whole bunch of slimes and mixing it in a bowl. I legit thought this video was a flop. I didn't even have an intro for it. I originally filmed this video before I left on a vacation, and when I got to my destination to edit the video, I forgot that I didn't record an intro for the video, so it didn't even have an intro. I thought this video was a complete flop, but people seem to love it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this video here, giant slime smoothie. Mixing my slime collection, blending all of my slime plus ASMR. So I guess the title was really good for this video and people actually liked it. So that's a good thing. So I'm just gonna go to analytics here because that's what we are looking for. We want to see the tea being spilled on this video right here. All right, so right now it's giving me all the stats for current time, but we wanna know how much I've earned throughout this entire video, basically for the 2 years that it's been uploaded. I don't even know what it is, honestly. The last time I might have checked it was probably like maybe a couple months after I uploaded it. Honestly, I didn't even know that this video passed my other video that has, I think, like 2 million views until like recently. I didn't know. I thought it was gonna be my Play-Doh Slime video. That one has 2 million views, I believe. I thought that was my most popular video, but this one surpassed it by over 1 million, so that's kind of crazy. So I want to go ahead and go to revenue and talk about some things. So it says here your estimated revenue. Again, we're only looking at what is happening in current time, the last 28 days. So this is just what I've earned basically this past month on this video, which is 2 years old. Keep that in mind. So it says here my estimated revenue from this video is $3.63, which you're like, wow, that's nothing. But remember, this video is super old. A lot of people have seen it already, so it's not really in demand like it used to be. It has 1.2 thousand monetized playbacks. That means playbacks that are able to earn some money for the creator. So basically there are some playbacks that are maybe like bots, like, you know, I don't really know how to explain it because I'm not very technical and I don't know much about it, but there are some views that could not even be from a real person. So those views obviously aren't counted towards your monetization and the money that you can earn. And then playback based CPM, it says $5.42. That basically means CPM stands for cost per milli, which is cost per thousand. So that is how much YouTube will actually pay you per 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views for this particular video, I get $5.42, which is pretty cool. Okay, so a little bit of extra information about CPM or cost per milli. It definitely varies per channel. It's not a standard rate that is across the board for all YouTubers, no matter your size. So this video here, if it was uploaded on somebody else's channel and they got the same amount of views, they still could have gotten paid more or less, just depending on their cost per milli, because everybody's cost per milli is different. And what that is, it's basically YouTube's way of paying their creators. So YouTube determines your cost per milli by a number of things, including like, is your content ad friendly? So can you place ads on there and will people be most likely to click on those ads? Also, I believe they take into consideration like how many subscribers you have, how long you've been on the platform and things like that. So it's definitely not going to be the same for every single person. It's definitely an individual based type thing. And everybody's cost per milli is different. It also varies per video. I have actually uploaded some videos that even have $7 or $8 as my cost per milli, and that is amazing if you can get, you know, $8+ on a video per 1,000, and if you get more than 1,000 views, like that's amazing. It basically just all depends on the content. You just really never know. So now that we've established my cost per milli and how that works, let's go ahead and click on lifetime over here so that we can see how much money this baby has made throughout its entire lifetime in the 2 years it's been uploaded. Y'all ready for this? I don't even know what it is yet, so I'm gonna be just as surprised as you are. Holy cow, you are kidding me right now. Wow, I didn't think that I didn't think it was gonna be that much. I was thinking maybe like 1,000, 2,000 tops. This video alone, just this video on my channel, has earned me $4,297.04. Let that sink in. I mean, like I'm saying, it's definitely not like the most money that anybody can make on YouTube. It's not like, wow, that's insane. It's insane for me because that's $4,000 on a video that took me probably like 3 hours, 4 hours to film and edit tops. I legit filmed this video before I headed to Florida for vacation and edited in my hotel room, and it probably took me an hour tops. So $4,300 basically on just a couple hours work. That is not bad, y'all. That is so insane to me. That is so crazy. I honestly did not think it would be that much. Look at me go, y'all. I'm so proud of myself right now. This is just like extra motivating as well for me. While we're here, because I'm just super curious, I want to know how much money I made on that Play-Doh video that I was talking about. So let's go over there and see what the cost per milli on that one was and see if it was higher or lower. I mean, it's basically the same content. It has to do with slime, but it still could be very different. So let's check it out. This video has 2.1 million views. So it has about a little over 1 million less than the video we were just looking at. So let's go to revenue here. Let's go to lifetime. Okay, see, so this one is completely different. This one has a way lower cost per milli. The cost per milli for this video is $2.64. So since this video only has a $2.64 cost per milli, I only made $2,771.79 on this video for the past 2 years, because this video has also been up for 2 years. So that's insane. As you can see, it literally just depends on a video basis. You can even have like a video that doesn't even have 1 million views and it make like $16 or $17 per 1,000, and you can make bank off of that video as well. So it honestly just depends. If you're curious to learn more about like CPM and how much money YouTubers actually make, it's literally a trend right now. So just type in how much money I made on YouTube with 1 million views on YouTube and just look through all the videos. It is insane. Some people's cost per milli are really up there. Well, that was most definitely eye-opening for me because I don't really go back and look at my stats from 2 3 years ago. That's just not something that I do. Also keep in mind that it is a lot harder now to earn money on YouTube than it was when I first started, because the market is just so oversaturated now with every type of community. There's literally millions of people on YouTube trying to earn a living, and it's great. I mean, it's great for the YouTube community, but it is a little oversaturated, so it's hard. It's super competitive now. So starting a YouTube channel just to make money might not be a great idea. However, if it's a passion like the way that it started for me, I literally went a whole year without seeing a single dollar being returned to me. It's definitely something that you should pursue if it's a passion. Let it start off as a passion project, and if it just so happens to start making money, then even better. Like I said, I didn't start making money on YouTube until a whole year, but I started my channel making slime videos back when slime videos weren't really popular. The only person really making slime videos on YouTube was Karina Garcia. So it wasn't like I jumped on a trend or anything. I just really did something that I found that I had a passion for, and you all seemed to like it. So yeah, that is how much money YouTube paid me for a slime video with 3.3 million views. For some people, this video might have been super random, and I'm sorry, but I really haven't done a sit down video like this for you all in such a long time, where it's just me and a camera just kind of talking to y'all without any slime. We still have the slime topic in there, which might be fascinating for some people. Also, some people might just be scrolling and want to know how much money a 26-year-old YouTuber makes on YouTube just by playing with slime. I don't blame you. If this wasn't my job, I would be super curious as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. It was definitely an eye-opener, even for me as a creator, because I don't really look at my stats like I should. I definitely need to do that a little bit more. In the comment section down below, let me know if there's any other behind the scenes type things you would like to see from my channel as well. Like I said, I'm very transparent with you all, and I pretty much share everything. I am an open book, so if there's anything about the slime business or YouTube in general that you would like to know about, let me know in the comment section, and I might just do a video on it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!